Hey, cherry lovers! Welcome back to Knowledge Panel. Today, we're diving into the juicy world of cherries and learning how to harvest them at just the right time for the sweetest, most delicious fruit. Whether you have a backyard tree or you're visiting a local orchard, this guide will help you pick cherries at their peak. It's all about knowing when the fruit is at its absolute best. So grab a basket, find a shady branch, and let's get started. I'll show you how to spot the perfect cherry and make the most of this beautiful harvest season. Let's walk through the orchard together and discover the secrets to the perfect cherry. Timing is everything when it comes to harvesting cherries. Pick too early and you'll get tart, underdeveloped fruit. Wait too long and they'll turn soft, lose their crispness, or even start to ferment. Birds know when cherries are perfect, so don't let them beat you to the harvest. Think of it like baking a cake. There's a perfect window for the best results. The magic happens when you pick cherries at their peak, honoring all the work the tree has done. It's about slowing down, observing, and letting the tree guide you. Look for clues, color, feel, and even fragrance. Each sign tells you a part of the story of a perfectly ripe cherry. By paying attention, you turn a simple chore into a delicious, rewarding experience. Before picking, let's learn how to listen to what the tree is telling us. We'll check color, stem, and smell, nature's signals for ripeness. Mastering this timing transforms your harvest. Let's get ready to pick at just the right moment. Your sweetest cherries are just a few careful steps away. The first sign of ripeness is color. For most sweet cherries, look for a deep, rich, and uniform shade. Think dark mahogany or almost black for Bing cherries. Lighter reds mean the cherry needs more time to develop sugars. Black pearl cherries should be nearly black and glossy all over. Turn the cherry gently. Sometimes the sun side ripens first. A ripe cherry will have consistent color all around. Don't be tempted by bright reds. Wait for those deep, soulful shades. This is your first and most reliable indicator of peak flavor. Let your eyes guide you as you scan the branches. Look for cherries that promise sweetness with their color. Color is the cherry's way of saying, "I'm ready." Trust this visual cue for the best tasting fruit. Next, check the stem. A ripe cherry has a bright green, flexible stem. The stem should detach easily from the branch, but stay attached to the fruit. Keeping the stem on helps cherries stay fresh longer. Avoid cherries with brown, dry, or shriveled stems. They're past their prime. Check where the stem meets the fruit for bruising or softness. A healthy cherry is firm with a strong green stem. The stem is the fruit's lifeline. Fresh stem, fresh cherry. Take a second to inspect before picking. This small detail makes a big difference in quality. Combine color and stem checks for a perfect pick. Nature gives us these clues. Let's use them. With practice, you'll spot the best cherries every time. Now, use your nose. Ripe cherries have a subtle, sweet, earthy aroma. Underripe cherries smell green and leafy, not sweet. The right fragrance means sugars and flavors have developed. Smelling the fruit connects you to the harvest. In a ripe orchard, you'll notice a gentle, fruity perfume in the air. Don't rush. Cup a cluster and take a gentle sniff. If you catch that sweet cherry scent, you're close to perfection. Add this to your checklist: color, stem, and smell. The aroma is nature's final invitation to taste. Trust your senses. They'll guide you to the best fruit. This step makes the experience richer and more rewarding. Now, you're ready for the ultimate test tasting. The final confirmation is the taste test. Pick one cherry that looks perfect and try it. You're looking for a burst of sweetness, a hint of tartness, and a juicy, firm texture. If it's watery or tart, wait a bit longer. If it's mushy or fermented, you're a little late. Each tree can ripen differently, so always taste before picking in bulk. This is your benchmark for the rest of the harvest. Enjoy this moment. It's the reward for your patience and observation. A sun-warmed, ripe cherry is summer at its best. Let your taste buds confirm it's time to pick. The best test is always the most delicious one. Bing cherries are the classic summer cherry. Large, heart-shaped, and deep mahogany red when ripe. Their flavor is intensely sweet with a touch of acidity for balance. The firm, juicy flesh makes them perfect for eating fresh or baking. Bings are great for pies, cobblers, and jams because they hold their shape. Don't pick too early. Wait for the color to deepen to almost black. That's when the sugars are at their highest. Bings are reliable, delicious, and beautiful. Perfect for any cherry lover. They're a summer staple and a favorite at markets. If you want a classic cherry experience, Bing is the way to go. Their unforgettable sweetness creates lasting memories. Wait for peak ripeness, and you'll be rewarded. Tulare cherries are among the first to ripen, kicking off cherry season. They're large, bright red, and exceptionally juicy. The flavor is sweet and mild, perfect for snacking. Their softer flesh makes them best for eating fresh or in simple sauces. For Tulare, look for a vibrant uniform red color. Unlike Bings, they don't darken to mahogany. Always do a taste test to confirm ripeness. Tulare cherries are a refreshing start to the season. Their juicy sweetness is a welcome sign of summer. Enjoy them fresh for the purest flavor. Sweetheart cherries ripen late, extending the cherry season. They're large, bright red, and heart-shaped, truly charming. The flavor is bold and sweet with a tangy finish. Their firm, crisp flesh gives a satisfying crunch. Sweethearts are perfect for fresh eating, fruit platters, and baking. Their shape and color make them a standout on any table. They hold up well in pies and jams, too. If you want to savor cherry season to the end, look for Sweethearts. They're a delicious finale to the harvest. Sweetheart cherries truly live up to their name. Black pearl cherries are all about texture, crisp, crunchy, and deeply satisfying. Their glossy, almost black color signals peak ripeness. The flavor is intensely sweet, with little tartness. They're perfect for snacking and look stunning in a fruit bowl. Black pearls stay fresh and crunchy longer than softer varieties. Wait for a uniform black color before picking. Any red means they're not quite ready. If you love a cherry with a snap, black pearl is for you. Their unique texture and sweetness make them unforgettable. Try them once and you'll be hooked. Stella cherries are a home gardener's dream, self-pollinating and highly productive. The fruit is large, dark red, and heart-shaped, with a rich, sweet flavor. Stellas are versatile, great for fresh eating, pies, and canning. Their firm flesh holds up beautifully in baking. Look for deep, dark red color for peak sweetness. They grow in big clusters, making picking easy and satisfying. Keep stems attached for longer freshness. Stella is reliable, abundant, and delicious, perfect for any use. Preserve the harvest to enjoy summer flavor year-round. Stella cherries are a true garden favorite. There's nothing like tasting a perfectly ripe cherry straight from the tree. It's the reward for patience, observation, and a little effort. I hope these tips help you harvest your own sweet cherries like a pro. Get out there, fill your basket, and savor the fruits of your labor. If you enjoyed this guide, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more garden wisdom. Until next time, keep enjoying the sweet moments of the season.